Hello friends, today we are going to learn microorganisms. These are types of bacteria. These are types of algae. These are types of paramecium. These are types of fungi. Where do microorganisms live? Microorganisms may be single-celled like bacteria and some algae and protozoa or multicellular such as algae and fungi. They can survive under all types of environment, ranging from ice-cold climate to hot springs and deserts to marshy lands. They are also found inside the bodies of animals including humans. Some microorganisms grow on other organisms while others exist freely. Microorganisms like amoeba can live alone while fungi and bacteria may live in colonies. Friendly microorganisms. Microorganisms are used for various purposes. They are used in the preparation of curd, bread and cake. They are also used in the cleaning up of the environment. For example, the organic waste are broken down into harmless and usable substances by bacteria. Recall that bacteria are also used in the preparation of medicines. In agriculture, they are used to increase soil fertility by fixing nitrogen. Making of curd. Curd contains several microorganisms. Of these, the bacterium Lactobacillus promotes the formation of curd. It multiples in milk and converts it into curd. Bacteria are also involved in the making of cheese, pickles, and many other food items. An important ingredient of rava, idlis, and bhaturas is curd. Making of bread. Yeast reproduces rapidly and produces carbon dioxide during respiration. Bubbles of the gas fill the dough and increase its volume. This is the basis of the use of yeast in the baking industry for making bread, pastries and cakes. Fermentation. This is the smell of alcohol as sugar has been converted into alcohol by yeast. This process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is known as fermentation. Medicinal use of microorganisms. Whenever you fall ill, the doctor may give you some antibiotic tablets, capsules, or injections, such as of penicillin. The source of these medicines is microorganisms. These medicines kill or stop the growth of the disease causing microorganisms. Such medicines are called antibiotics. These days, a number of antibiotics are being produced from bacteria and fungi. Streptomycin, tetracycline, and erythromycin are some of the commonly known antibiotics which are made from fungi and bacteria. Medicinal use of microorganisms. The antibiotics are manufactured by growing specific microorganisms and are used to cure a variety of diseases. Antibiotics are even mixed with the feed of livestock and poultry to check microbial infection in animals. They are also used to control many plants diseases. Harmful microorganisms. Microorganisms are harmful in many ways. Some of the microorganisms cause diseases in human beings, plants, and animals. Such diseases causing microorganisms are called pathogens. Some microorganisms spoil food, clothing, and leather. Diseases causing microorganisms in humans. Pathogens enter our body through the air we breathe, the water we drink, or the food we eat. They can also get transmitted by direct contact with an infected person or carried through an animal. Microbial diseases that can spread from an infected person to a healthy person through air, water, food, or physical contact are called communicable diseases. Examples of such diseases include cholera, common cold, chickenpox, and tuberculosis. When a person suffering from common cold sneezes, fine droplets of moisture carrying thousands of viruses are spread in the air. The virus may enter the body of a healthy person while breathing. Small insects of disease. There are some insects and animals which act as carriers of disease-causing microbes. Housefly is one such carrier. The flies sit on the garbage and animal excreta. Pathogens stick to their body when these flies sit on uncovered food. They may transfer the pathogen. Whoever eats the contaminated food is likely to get sick. So it is advisable to always keep food covered. Avoid consuming uncovered items of food. Another example of a carrier is the female Anopheles mosquito, which carries the parasite of malaria. Female Aedes mosquito acts as carrier of dengue virus. All mosquitoes breed in water. Hence, one should not let water collect anywhere in coolers, tires, flower pot, etc. By keeping the surrounding clean and dry, we can prevent mosquitoes from breeding. Try to make a list of measures which help to avoid the spread of malaria. Some common human diseases caused by microorganisms. Cholera, Vibrio cholerae, human beings. Typhoid, Salmonella typhi, human beings. Gastric ulcers, Helicobacter pylori, human beings. Tetanus, Clostridium tetani, human beings. Tuberculosis, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, human beings. Leprosy, Mycobacterium leprae, human beings. Anthrax, Bacillus anthracis, ruminants. Crown gall, Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Plants, blight disease, Xanthomonas oryzae, rice plant. Leaf spot disease, Pseudomonas tomato, tomato plant. Citrus canker, Xanthomonas axonopodis, lemon tree, orange tree. Storage and packing. These days, dry fruits and even vegetables are sold in sealed airtight packets to prevent the attack of microbes.